What are we doing today?
Bro, just grabbing all the tools to do this epoxy pour on a new COLLAB board. Brand new box of epoxy.
What's the collaboration we're doing?
1 second. Gotta have this to catch the drips. You'll see. Alright, here's the board. So, pretty much the story behind this board was just going through Instagram, searching around. Found a random brand that they liked one of the pictures that we had. The brand's called Slush Cult. I looked through some of their stuff. I didn't really know about the brand too much, but when I looked into it, I was like, dude, they don't have a board. It'd be sick for us to do a board for them. So I sent them a DM around November of last year. They messaged back, sure, dude, like, make something happen. Asked them what they wanted on it. He said, hey, it doesn't matter, you're the artist, just run the play. So around that time we started getting really busy with contest skating and a lot of other things that we were pushing out. So I personally couldn't do this board myself because of just how busy we were, and I wanted to be able to knock this out. So I hit up another deck artist that follows me on Instagram for the opportunity to take the challenge and knock this one out. So DELLACATE DECKS, follow her on Instagram after this. Whipped this up for Slush Cult. So it's got a little bit of all of his stuff. Like he makes a lot of pins, they're in zoomies, stuff like that. Gave her the opportunity to whip it up. So she kind of killed it for sure on this one. She's done a few other boards for us that we'll be having to finish soon too. So look forward to collaborating with the deck artist. So we're about to go in the shop.
The colors really be popping on this board though.
Bro, you haven't seen it with the epoxy on it, bro. You never seen epoxy before?
I haven't.
Well, I'm afraid you're gonna have to learn how to do this today, dude.
You heard him himself. Learning something new every day.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna put you. You're gonna learn how to go. You're gonna learn how to pour this shit today. Cool.
Get it.
Alright, let's get it.
So we're out here. We're gonna charge the batteries on camera. So we're out here just skating it.
Alright, let's get my G. You ready to do?
Ready to do this.
Alright, let's grab the board out. First step, board out.
You're gonna need one of these mixing cups so you know how much to put in there. I'm gonna mix it up. Alright, we got a 2-part epoxy. Part A, we got that tabletop epoxy. We got that epoxy hardener so it stays firm. Gotta mix it up. You're gonna need some special blue gloves. Keep the hands warm because you know it's cold. Alright, so you want to have a even place to have the board set up because the product be dripping down because we stay dripped up. So you're gonna have to pull it with a stick and then the mixer. But I have some glitter on it. Make that shit pop. Make that shit glitter up. You already know. You're gonna need one of these a blowtorch. Gotta blow them down. You basically blowtorch the board so all the air bubbles they come out easier. So the product doesn't look all air bubbly. It comes out nice and smooth.
Sick.
So you're gonna get the part A, and it's ounce to ounce. You wanna do it. Wanna fill it up all the way to the 6 ounces. For skateboards, you usually use about 12 ounces. 6 ounces A, 6 ounces B. Now I'm gonna pour it up. So we just got done with part A. About to start up with the part B, the hardener. So when you're pouring part B, it's okay to go a little over, not too much though. About to toss some glitter up in this bitch. So there's no real way to measure this, but we got that purple glitter. You already know what's going on. We're gonna get this stick and get to whipping. So you want to mix it for at least like 3 minutes. Make sure it's all mixed up. Want to get the mixed up finished product and pour it on the board. So right here you want to get the stick and smoothing out the surface. Make sure there's no missing spots where there's no dry spots. You gotta have an extra finish in the container, so you never know if you're gonna need more. I'm just scraping up the sides. As you can tell, it's very drippy once you apply the finished product. So you gotta scrape the edges. Get the torch. Use this thing to adjust the flames. You already know what to do. And next step. So right here, blow torching the board. Get all the air bubbles out. You already know. Make that shit smooth.
I don't trust you with this shit. You about to burn the shop now.
Last time we go over it. Not too close to the board. Let it sit for the next 24 hours. I'm not gonna watch it for the 24 hours, but I'm sure it'll be there. So we got the epoxy, the one I fucked up on. I put way too much glitter in it. So I'm about to make some coasters out of it. The homie behind me, Prodigy Built, came through with the ice cube coaster molds. About to mold some coasters and put them to good use. So I'm just putting a little coat over the top of this, and then I'm apply these stickers because we stay focused. You could over drip this because the silicone will pop right out. Taking no losses, always winning, making new things, new projects. Always a good feeling.
What time is it?
It's grind time. I'm about to go finish this collab. We got Slush Cult. About to just go sand down the board, check it out.
Well, we're hand delivering it.
Hand delivered.
Hey.
So this is the epoxy finish, fully dried. It feels really smooth actually. Just run my hand over. Feels just like glass. So I got these this drip right here. We're gonna have to sand it down, get that smooth finish, and then we're gonna skate it. You get the drill, start getting to drilling. When the drill's done, just check the final product. Just need a wet towel and a dry towel, microfiber towel to make it smooth and wipe everything down, you know. Over to Slush Cult and see the reaction, see how they feel about it.
Hey Eric, so you've never done this before. I tried to walk you through all the steps. We messed up one time because some of this stuff is just, you got to do it, and once you're in it you can learn it. So talk to me about it.
So my first time using epoxy finish product. First time was sanding the board down. We drilled the hole so you can get that hole, so you get your trucks and everything implanted.
But the process, like, how did you feel running it?
Pretty much very relaxing. Stayed focused on the mission. Got it done as needed. Board came out really sick.
You don't even want to skate it, G.
Yeah, I don't even want to skate it, but it might have good concave, you never know. I'm gonna skate it.
I'm gonna slush it.
We're gonna slush it up.
Ew. That coaster came out clutch. Hey, that shit functional.
Very sturdy. You see it?
Stay sturdy.
Stay sturdy. This shit will never break on you. Pretty much to bring it anywhere, you'll have a coaster on deck.